she's this, whatever, because I don't want people to have any sorts of making assumption and thinking that, oh, she's just lying, she's just doing this for Instagram or to get more like or more followers. No, I'm gonna show you my journey, because I have nothing to hide. I can only be real, and if you like it, you like it. You don't like it, you don't. You know, some people are fake. They don't like people that are real, and I've encountered many fake people in my life, and they don't like me because I don't like fake. I like people who are truthful, people who are real, people who are just living their truth. And I mean, I'm not going to say that I'm perfect and I'm always, you know, like this. You saw how some of them I look like a hot mess, but some of them I put my little makeup on, trying to look cute for you guys and for myself. And I really truly got all my makeup on because I thought that I was going to go to the Hollywood sign, but the guy gave me the wrong information, and it is what it is. I guess it wasn't meant to be today, but I will definitely do it, if not tomorrow, because when I come back I will definitely do it, or eventually I will do it, and I will walk you through the entire thing. And I will stop, take break, record, and then stop again until I make it to the top, and then I'll show you how to do it. And the same with my next journey. I wish I recorded when I was coming here from Vegas, because I met this young lady, and it was so strange because she was so frustrated, and she said, can I use your computer? And I said, yes, I wanna. Yeah. She said, because she wanted to buy a ticket, even though it was all fake, or even though it was, I don't know, people do shit for stupid things, and people tend to, you know, approach me and it's all fake, it's all paparazzi, it's all kind of bullshit. But yeah, I'm gonna share this with you. She approaches me. Yeah, she approached me and she was like, can I use my computer? She was like complaining about life, how she was like, she was in Vegas, she happened and did the same thing that I do, came to Vegas, decided to stay, and now she just packed her things. And I think she was saying that like she encountered guys that kicked her out of their rooms and all these other bullshit. I'm like, I mean, it's no offense, and I'm not criticizing anyone. If you're like in your 20s, 30s, 18-year-old, there is no way that you should allow yourself to be, you know, to go inside of a men's room, and in the middle of the night a jerk will kick you out. Like, seriously, you should not allow that to happen to you. And if you're out there in something like that, like, seriously, you have the power to choose your journey, to choose the people that you want to be around you. Choose the right people. There's no way for you. It doesn't matter if they have money or they don't have money. Money is just energy. It flows to you freely and easily. Like you can attract you can attract money to you, and the things that comes out of your mouth is exactly what you're attracting to you. So if you keep saying that I don't have any money, I'm poor, I'm this and that, guess what? This is what you're attracting to you. But if you said I'm abundant, I'm financially secure, even though you don't have the money coming like right in the palm or on your bank account, guess what? The more you say it, the more you believe it, the more you're attracting it to it. Sometimes I wake up, I don't even know when I'm gonna find money to do stuff, and all of a sudden I call a friend and they support me because they know that I have a good heart and I have good attention, and I'm not on drug. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do any alcohol. I don't drink any alcohol, so they don't know that they're wasting the money. They know the money is going to a good, they're doing a good thing. It's not like they're throwing the money out. Like some people, you give them the money, they just go straight and grab a cigarette. I'm not judging. It's not my place to judge, but I'm just telling you that, or they go drink alcohol, or they go do drugs with the money. People like that, when people come and ask you for money or ask you for help, they're not gonna help you because they know exactly what you're gonna do with the money. So people might be resisting, and now me, if I have the money, I will give it to you, because this is not my place to judge, this is not my place to criticize. But at the same time, I'm just telling you she was just saying that this guys are kicking her out of their rooms, blah blah blah. You should not put yourself in this position where you a guy is kicking you out. Like, you're more than that. You're worth more than a jerk. Even in Las Vegas, I met this jerk. I took a lift, and when I was inside the lift, he was talking about, oh, I got this, I can't wait. He has tattoos all over. I can't wait to get my show out, blah blah blah. And then he's saying that he's talking about, oh, he has a TV show coming out and all these other crap. And then he's saying that he's asking his girlfriend to go on social media to take off her clothes and like to dance on social media or to become a stripper so they can make money. And I said, why don't you become a stripper? Why do you have to be codependent on your girl to go out there and make money for you? You have a body like everybody else. Why don't you just go and become a stripper? And then at the end of the night, at the end of because they were dropping off, the driver was dropping him off at the airport, and he was asking me for my number. I'm like, even though if you were the last man on earth, I wouldn't give you my number. You're a jerk. And he didn't even care because he knows he's a jerk. Like, I guess he doesn't even feel any type of way because he knows that he knows he's a douchebag. So yeah, those are the type of guys ladies, stay away from them, because they're like people who doesn't want you to be, people who's trying to block you, people who's trying to tell you what to do, the type of clothes that you should wear, what you should do as career, who you should date, who you should be around, who should be your friend, what you should eat, what type of clothes. These are the type of people you should just say bye-bye. Because at the end of the day, they need to let you be. They need to let you make a mistake. They need to let you to be who you are, become the person that you were meant here to be. Don't let anybody control your life. And some people have encountered people trying to control me. You can't control. I'm a wild card. Like, seriously, I pack so light. I'm the fool. I'm on a fool's journey. You can't, I'm on a fool journey. I'm not a fool. I used to be a fool. I used to make foolish decisions, but I've learned from those foolish decisions. I am on a fool's journey, but that doesn't mean that I'm a fool. It's two different things. So don't be a fool. Foolish decision is the reason that you get kicked out of a guy's kicked you out of his room. Those are foolish decisions. Packing up a bag, travel light, that is a fool. You're on a fool journey. But that doesn't mean that you make foolish decisions. So I'm trying to get my shit together. And while I'm trying to get my shit together, I'm gonna share my shit with you so you can get your shit together. And I think that's it. Bye. See you tomorrow, guys.